day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm Adele Bornia. I'm 37 years old. I have four children, 19 years old, 18 years old, 17 years old, and 3 years old. I am high school graduate. I live in City Rio, Nevada Hills, Lahog, Cebu City. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the fifth in the family.
How would you describe yourself as a person?
I am a cheerful. I am honest. I am a hardworking.
Do you love taking care of the kids?
Yes.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to support my family for the schooling of my children.
And who will take care of your kids if you work abroad?
My family.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I worked before in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I have one baby. I have a nanny before in Saudi Arabia, 1 baby. My household chores is taking care of the baby, bathing, changing diapers, and ironing the clothes.
Do you also clean around the house?
Yes, madam.
For how many years did you work in Saudi Arabia?
2 years.
Finished contract?
Yes, finished contract.
How about your experience in the Philippines?
I work here in Philippines for 2 years. Nanny for 1-year-old baby.
Okay, so you have experience for newborn care in Saudi Arabia and in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of newborn babies, small kids, and elderly persons abroad?
Yes, I am.
Are you patient in taking care of small children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to give bath to a newborn baby?
Yes.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
How long do you want to work with your employer abroad?
I worked there in 2 years, finished contract.
So you promise to finish the 2 years contract with your employer?
Yes, I will.
Are you also willing to extend or renew your contract?
Yes.
Please tell me about your cooking skills. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook Filipino food and also Arabic food, and I am willing to know how to cook native food.
So you are willing to learn how to cook your employer's dishes?
Yes, I am willing.
Are you a fast learner?
Yes.
Can you follow online recipes?
Yes.
Do you have any food allergies?
No.
Do you have the full consent of your family before you go abroad?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes. Promise.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No.
Any body tattoo? Do you have any body tattoo?
No, 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 no.
Okay. Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids?
Yes.
What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am. If you choose me, I will promise you that I will work good for your house and I will taking care of your kids. I will treat you like a family, and I love your children also, and I will do my household chores. Thank you, ma'am. See you soon.